Welcome everyone. Today finds us in my guest bathroom once again, where I recently changed the tub spout. Now I'm going to change the overflow cover and I'm going to put in a pop-up drain. So stick around. This is an easy job, and boy does it make my bathroom look finished and up to date. In a previous video, I'll link this down below, I put in a brushed nickel tub spout in my bathtub. So now I had an overflow cover and the ring around the drain that didn't match. They were in the chrome, so I have to get those to match. So I've already removed this plate. This is really tough to get off because you can see there's a lot of corrosion back there. So I used an impact wrench, and after lubricating this WD-40, oh man, this is kind of hard to get off. Let's see if I can get a bigger screwdriver. Now the new kit came with screws for both the center plate and the bracket. So I'm going to see if these fit. If they don't, I might have to reuse the old screws. And it looks like they fit, so that's good. I do want to adjust this so it is centered on that pipe. Then I'm going to put on the plate. We want to make sure that these openings are toward the bottom, so if any water does come up, it's going to go straight down into the tub. The top, we want it to look decorative and tied up against the tub. So it's going to go in that direction. There, that looks so much better. Now the drain is going to be really simple, I think. If you have a pop-up drain in here that operates from up higher, you'd have to remove that. I don't have anything in here. Mine is an 1.5 inch opening. It's also recessed, which I think is going to be really good, because this is the pop-up drain I'm replacing it with. The kit does come with other washers or gaskets and comes with a couple of extra screws. I think that is for the plate that we just put in. But I think this will fit right in. I think all I need to do is push that in. Look at that. I like that this is recessed because that means water will still go in. And it's that easy. I think what I'm going to do, I want the word push to be facing this direction. There we go. So all that's left is to fill this with water and see if it works. And it seems to be doing a great job. And it looks really good too. You would think that was a difficult installation, but it literally takes 10 seconds. Now my tub fixtures, my sink fixtures, everything matches, and it looks so nice and new and shiny. It actually looks nice and clear, and I like the fact that it was recessed just a little bit, the ring around that drain, and so I was so fortunate it fit just perfectly. And by the way, I am going to give you the Amazon link down below where I bought that pop-up and the cover. They came as a kit and they weren't very expensive. So if you're going to go there, please use my link. You know, we don't make a whole lot on these videos, but sometimes it comes back through the Amazon referrals. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I just love reading those comments, and I appreciate when you do. So until next time, I'm Mark, and this is the Average Me Channel.